We will be beginning with the plenary session on universal health coverage in India, a dream or reality. Has 5 speakers. The session is being chaired by Ms. Sujata Rao. It is my honor to introduce Ms. Sujata Rao, the former Health Secretary, Government of India. She has been serving in Indian administrative services for 36 years. During this long stint, she has served in the health sector for 22 years in different capacities. She has been the Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, Government of Andhra Pradesh. She has been the Director, Joint Secretary and Union Secretary for Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. She was Director General for National AIDS Control Organization. She has played a key role in establishing a separate directorate for CGHS. It is an honor to have you here, ma'am, as a chair. May I now request Ms. Rao to take the session ahead. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, and I'm delighted to be here to chair this session on UHC Dream or Reality. It's a very interesting title, by the way, whoever thought of it. We have a very talented panel of speakers, extremely well-versed on the subject of universal healthcare, and it's my pleasure to introduce Professor Ann Mills, who will give a presentation on overview of UHC and how others have achieved it. Professor Mills was a professor of economics and policy and vice director academic affairs of the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, UK, and she has worked extensively on issues concerned with the financing and organization of healthcare in low and middle income countries, including China and India and Thailand. And she has also worked in sub-Saharan Africa as part of the Ministry of Health in Malawi. Her main research interests are issues concerning the financing and organization of healthcare in LMIC, that's the low middle income countries, and she'll be presenting this overview, as I said, of universal health coverage and her experiences of achieving UHC in other LMCs. But also I would like to add that she was a member of the Commission of Macroeconomics and Health that was constituted by the WHO in 2000, where the chair was Professor Jeffrey Sachs. And in that context, I had the pleasure of meeting Professor Ann Mills for her very signal contribution on in that very, very important document called of the Commission of Macroeconomics and Health, which raised several fundamental issues for increasing resources for health. Professor Ann Mills.